Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson the factors and multiples. Now the new topic, it's highest common factor, HCF. There are different methods to find out the HCF. First method is the factor method. Now what is the factor method? You have to list the factors. Already in our lower classes you have learnt the factors and all, isn't it? So here the find the HCF of 27 and 36. So write the factors of 27. So 27 is divisible by which all numbers? 1, 2, no, 3, yes, 4, no, 5, no, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, yes. Now 3 9s are 27, 9 3s are 27. It is interchange. So directly you ask 1 how much are 27? 1 27s are. Remember this method? So you had to write the factors of 27. 1 into 27. 2 not possible. 3 into 9. 4 not possible. 5 not possible, like that, isn't it? And U shape. You should have a, you might have written like that, the factors. This is listing method, listing the factors. Now factors of 36. 1, yes, always 1 is the factor of any number. 2, yes, because it is an even number. 3, yes. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 6, 3. Now 4, yes. 4 9s are, 36. 5, no. 6, yes. Now 6 6s are 36. It's interchanging here. So now you ask 4 how much are 36? 4 9s are 36. Now ask 3. 3 how much are 36? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. That is 3 12s are. 12 3s are 36. You remember. Now ask 2. 2 how much are 36? 2 1s are 2. 1 remains, 1 and 6, 16. 1 8, 2 8s are 16. Now 1 how much are 36 are. Remember this method? Last year you have done. So at one point there is an interchange of the factors, isn't it? So like here 3 9s are, 9 3s are. Here the same number 6 6s are 36. So then you have to ask the earlier number, the 4 how much are 36, like that. समझ में आया सबको? पहले फैक्टर्स ऑफ 27 1 से डिवाइड होता है, 2 से नहीं क्योंकि ये ऑड नंबर है, 3 से यस, 3 9s are, 4 का टेबल में नहीं, 5 का टेबल में नहीं, 6 7 का भी नहीं, 8 का भी नहीं, और 9 में है. सो अभी 3 9s are, 9 3s are. इंटरचेंज हो गया. इसके लिए पहले नंबर पूछो और 127s are. अभी इधर 36 1 का टेबल में यस, 2 से यस क्योंकि इवन नंबर, 3 3 1s are, 3 2s are, divisible. Now 4 4 9s are 36 और 5 में नहीं, 6 6 6s are 36. So इधर इंटरचेंज हो गया, 6 6s are. तो इसके लिए 4 का टेबल में पूछो, 4 हाउ मच are 36, 4 9s are, 3 हाउ मच are, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. फिर 2 से पूछो, 2 1s are 2 एंड 1 बचता है, 1 and 6 16, 2 8s are 16. फिर 36 जा. अभी underline the common factors. So 1 is common, right. Now 2 is not there, 3 is common, right. Next 9 is common, right. So which are the common factors of 27 and 36? 1, 3 and 9. So HCF means what? The highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? That is 9. Understood? That was the factor method. Now coming to the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method मालूम है? So do the prime factorization. First, prime factorization of 27. So 27 2 से नहीं होगा, 3 से yes, 2 plus 7 9. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. तो अभी लिखो 3 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. अभी 36 का 36, it is an even number, so you start with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 1 and 6 16, 2 8s are 16. Now again even 2, 2 9s are 18. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So you got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 36. Now the common factors. Which are the common factors? Underline. 3, underline and write. Now again one more time 3. So now prime HCF of 27 and 39. 3 into 3. जो भी common factors है multiply करो. 3 3s are 9. So here also the same numbers 27 and 36. Here also 27 and 36. But the method is different. Answer will be the same. Hope you understood. That was the prime factorization method. Two methods we understood, factor method and prime factorization method. Now coming to the third method, that is continued division method. So it is a new method for you. Understand properly. So HCF of 27 and 36. Out of this, the bigger number is 36. Smaller is 27. So what we have to do? Divide 36 by 27. तो क्या करने का है? बड़ा नंबर को छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करो. ठीक है? So first you have to see which is the bigger number, which is the smaller number, and divide the bigger number from the smaller number. So here dividend will be 36 and DI is 27. Okay. Now division, usually you put only this symbol and sign and you will be writing here. But in this method you will be writing here. Okay. Now 27, how much za 36? 27 1 za. So this is what? DD. This is DI. अभी इधर quotient आया 1. अभी 27 1 जा 27 है ना. माइनस करो. अभी 6 minus 7 not possible. So you will be taking 1 from this. Cut 3, write 2, cut 6, write 16. Isn't it? So 16 minus 7 is 9. and 2 minus 2 is 0. No need of writing. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप है ये 9. अभी ये डिवाइजर बनेगा और ये इधर का डिवाइजर अंदर जाएगा. ठीक है, ये डिवाइजर पहले का डिवाइजर अभी डिविडेंड बनेगा. अभी डिवाइड 27 by 9. 9 how much is 27? 9 3s are 27. अभी रिमाइंडर 0 आया. सो दिस इज द HCF. जब तक ये 0 नहीं आता है तो यही मेथड में आगे कंटिन्यू करते जाने का है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में जो डिवाइजर रहता है, सेकेंड स्टेप में वो डिविडेंड बनता है और ये रिमाइंडर डिवाइजर बनता है. समझ में आया? तो आगे आप लोग अलग अलग सम्स करने के वक्त ये समझ में आएगा, क्लियरली समझ में आएगा. आंसर HCF is equal to 9. And this is the easy method to find the HCF. पहले के दो मेथड थोड़ा लेंदियर है, ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, ये कम टाइम लगता है. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द एग्जाम्पल 4, द HCF ऑफ 204, 144 एंड 252. पहले में दो नंबर, पहले भी आप लोग सेम नंबर लेकर पहले के दो सम्स किए हैं, दो मेथड. अभी इज द HCF is 9. Now it is find the HCF of 204, 144 and 252. सबसे छोटा वाला अभी लिखो 144 is less than 204 less than 252. 3 नंबर रहता है तो पहले ऐसे लिखे ले लो. अभी ये छोटा नंबर 144 और 204 will be the dividend. So now take first two numbers, divide 204 from 144 by 144. तो 144 डिवाइजर बना इधर के जैसे और 204 डिविडेंड बना. ठीक है, अभी 144 हाउ मच 204. 144 से 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 2 4s 8, 2 4s 8, 2 1s 2, बड़ा होगा. सो इट विल बी 1. नाउ 144 1s 144 है ना. सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 4 minus 4 0. Now 0 minus 4 means 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. No need of writing because लेफ्ट में 0 आता है तो उसका वैल्यू नहीं है, तो इसके लिए इधर सब्ट्रैक्शन में सब हम नहीं लिखेंगे. अभी फिर से ये साइन सिंबल डालो. अभी ये डिवाइजर को इधर अंदर ले लो. अभी ये डिविडेंड बना. नाउ आस्क 60 हाउ मच 144. अभी इधर 2 डिजिट है, इधर 3 डिजिट है, तो इसके लिए अंदाजा लेने के लिए 6 हाउ मच 14. 6 2s 12 है ना. तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. 2 0s 0, 2 6s 12, 120 मिला. तो ये छोटा है इससे, सो डाल सकते हैं हम 2s. 2 0s 0, 2 6s 12. Now 4 minus 0 4, 4 minus 2 2. अभी भी 0 रिमाइंडर नहीं मिला. फिर 60 है ना, 60 it will go inside. This becomes the dividend. Now 24 how much are 60? So इधर 2 डिजिट, इधर 2 डिजिट, एक एक डिजिट को पूछो. 2 हाउ मच are 6? 2 3s are 6. लेकिन 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 72 मिलता है. So it is bigger. So you have to put 2. 3 बड़ा होता है, इसके लिए एक नंबर छोटा. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now here 5 is remaining. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now again take this 24 inside. 12 how much are 24? You know 12 2s are 24. अभी remainder 0 आया. Now which is the HCF? The last divisor, that is ये दोनों का HCF ये है, लेकिन हमें थर्ड नंबर भी है ना. तो इसके लिए क्या करने का है? 252, फिर से राइट साइड में 252, जो थर्ड नंबर बचा है उसको 12 से डिवाइड करो. नाउ 12 हाउ मच 25? 12 2s are 24. अभी 5 minus 4 1. Now this 2 bring it down. अभी ये बहुत ज्यादा 2 इसमें आएगा है ना, डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलता है तो ऑर्डिनरी डिवीजन करो. 12 हाउ मच 12? 12 1s are 12. Now you got the remainder 0. So that means which is the HCF? Actual HCF is 12. कभी कभी यही रहता है, नहीं तो दूसरा आएगा. आगे दूसरे सम्स में देखेंगे. So ये दोनों के HCF ये, लेकिन 3 नंबर का है तो इधर का HCF इधर लेकर थर्ड नंबर का और इसका HCF देखो. ठीक है. Now answer HCF is equal to 12. This is the continued division method. Hope you understood. Now coming to the word problem. Find the greatest number that will divide 140, 170 and 155, leaving the remainder 5 in each case. Find the greatest number. Greatest number मतलब HCF, leaving the remainder 5 in each case. So we have to find out a number which exactly divides 140, 170, 155, leaving a remainder 5. तो इसके लिए पहले 140 से 5 माइनस करो, 170 से 5 माइनस करो और 155 से 5 माइनस करो. That is 140 minus 5 is 135 और 170 minus 5 is 165 and 155 minus 5 is 150. So that means we have to find greatest. फाइंड द HCF ऑफ, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर पूछेंगे तो HCF ऑफ 135, 165 and 150. So remember, when they ask the greatest number, you have to find the HCF. Is it okay? And a remainder बोलेंगे तो पहले सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, फिर जो नंबर आया उनके HCF फाइंड आउट करने का है. So write the smallest is 135 less than 150 less than 165. Okay, so 135 and 150. First we have to take 135, 150. It will be only one time. So 135. 10 minus 5, 5. Now here it is 4 minus 3, 1. है ना? ये डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट करने को सीखने का है. 0 minus 5 not possible. Take from the left. So it will be 10 minus 5, 5 और इधर बचता है 4 minus 3, 1. Now this you have to take inside. अभी 15 how much za 135? 15 का टेबल 15 9s are 135. The remainder is 0. अभी ये जो 15 मिला उसको इधर लेने का है और दूसरा नंबर है ना, ये नंबर को लेकर 165 से कर. 15 हाउ मच जा 16? 15 1s are 15. Ordinary division. 1 remain. Bring this 5 down. 15 1s are 15. You can write the answer here or here also. Same. Now which is the HCF? It is 15. So HCF of 135, 165, 150 is 15. But the answer is according to the question. 15 is the greatest number that will divide 140, 170, 155, leaving a remainder 5 in each case. Hope you understood. So remember, the greatest number पूछेंगे तो HCF remainder, leaving a remainder means first you subtract that remainder from each number and then find the HCF. And the HCF what you get, that is the answer. Is it okay? So that was example 5. Now coming to example 6. The floor of a room is 6 meter 75 centimeter long and 5 meter wide. It is to be paved with the square tiles. Find the largest size of the tile needed. Largest, that means HCF. So first we have to convert this 6 meter 75 centimeter is equal to 675 centimeter and 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. First convert these into centimeters. Now find largest size. Find HCF of 675 and 500. समझ में आ गए? जब भी लार्जेस्ट साइज ऑफ द टाइल नीडेड पूछेंगे तो HCF फाइंड आउट करने का है, लेकिन इधर मीटर सेंटीमीटर में दिया है तो उसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. नाउ फाइंड आउट द HCF. 500 छोटा है और 675 बड़ा. 500 675, so only one time. 5 2s are 10, 1000 में जाता है तो 1s are. 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 0 7, 6 minus 5 1. Now take this 500 inside. Now it is the dividend. 1 how much are 5? 1 5s are. लेकिन बड़ा होगा, so 175 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 29 30, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7. Still bigger. 175 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. Still bigger. Now check with the 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 1s are 2, 3. Understood how you have to find the quotient? So it is 2s. So 2s are, it is 350. Subtract करेंगे 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 5 5. Now it is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. अभी अंदर जाएगा 175 है ना. हर एक स्टेप ऐसे करते करते जाने का है. 150 175 ओनली 1s are. इधर आएगा 150. 150 1s are 150. Now 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2. Now 1 minus 1 0. Now 150 will become the dividend. So no. Now 25 how much are 150? 25 4s are 100. 25 5s are 125, 25 6s are 150. Now you got 0. So this is the HCF. So HCF is equal to 25, but the answer is what? The largest size of the tile needed is 25 centimeter. याद रखो, because we have converted into centimeter. Hope you understood. So we have completed the examples for HCF. How to find out the HCF by 3 methods and the word problems. Hope all students understood till here. Bye. Thank you.